We started working with Khan Academy because we were hearing from our students as well as some of our teachers of the power that Khan had, especially mathematics. And it was like anything that I've seen in my 17 years as a superintendent. When you have a great product and a great system that's working, everybody wants on board. And in Long Beach Unified, it's really important to have a systems approach to close the achievement gap, a systems approach to close the opportunity gaps. And Khan Academy is one of those great tools. We always look at data. So it's really important for us that when we do things, we talk about how this program or this practice or whatever happens to be, what is the data showing that's closing the gap? To be honest with you, as we roll this out, we weren't sure, are we going to see what data points are going to be? Are they going to be good? They're going to be bad? And then everything was very positive. So then fast forward to today, we've trained hundreds of teachers, mainly in grades 6 through 12, but not only in mathematics, in multiple subject matters. And it's just now a norm. So today, 93% of my 6th through 12th graders are on Khan Academy. I see Khan Academy as a great equity tool, so that no matter where my kids are in my school district, because I have great diversity, that they're all getting the same thing that they need, but at different points and from different support. And I'm a huge fiscal conservative, but when I spend money, I'm going to make sure that my return on investment is going to be so high that when I go to my board and ask for this, they will have no problem. My board members said, we see the power of Khan Academy in our classrooms. They wanted the public to know, as we're spending your tax dollars, this is why we're doing it, and this is why we believe it's good, because we already have data points to show how it's good.